What's up, guys? I'm Aaron with Twins Garage. I'm here on this working on the Subaru yet again. Finally got the harness completely out. I mean, it's out of the entire car. All that's left is just wires that the previous owner had put in for the radiator fan and my sub wires. So the fun begins on installing the WRX harness, which is a bummer. I still got to pull the engine so I can get the engine cradle. I wish I could get the harness thrown in and then swap the engine real quick, but it's not gonna happen. I am very excited to get this engine put in. Also, I picked up my 05 STI bumper today. That's in the basement. I'll probably show you that sometime throughout this week. Just want to show you the engine again. Came with a turbo, ECU, and it was supposed to come with an intercooler. I contacted them and they're gonna send me a replacement since it did not come with one like it was supposed to. But gonna upgrade that turbo. We're throwing an STI turbo on there. I'm probably gonna throw a front mount intercooler. I haven't quite decided yet, so I'm gonna start getting the harness put in, but I'll probably eventually pull this engine before I finish it. I won't be able to do a whole lot of car stuff this week. I have drill. I thought Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but it's actually just Saturday, Sunday. So I'll get to go home at night, but I probably won't do any car stuff. So the weekend after that, we're gonna get this engine pulled and start working on getting that engine cradle. I've done no research on how to remove it or if it's easy or hard or whatnot. So fingers crossed that it's easy. So I'm gonna get working on that harness. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? I'm gonna head in for the night. I've got quite a bit of the harness in. I got it hooked up to the door, the airbag, the door sensor here, fuel pump, all the stuff that goes to the back. I got it ran around to the front all the way back in. Haven't got it hooked up over there yet at all. Haven't got it hooked up really inside at all. And I have also got it stuffed in the engine bay here, and then I also have gotten it ran in here, but I haven't got anything hooked up yet. Getting pretty late. I gotta work in the morning, so I'm gonna take a break. But I'll definitely be back in probably a day or two. I won't get a ton of time to work on this, so I'm hoping by the end of next week to have this harness completed. The engine in the process of being pulled, and the new cradle in the process of being put in. See you guys in a few seconds. So what's up, guys? Long day of getting this harness in, and I just about got it done, and it turns out that it's a auto harness, so it won't work. So I had to pull it all back out, and hopefully I can find a cheap manual harness. I just lost all motivation to finish this car and continue this YouTube channel, so we'll see what happens. What's up, guys? It's freezing in my garage right now. I haven't had the heater on at all today. It's probably 20 degrees, if not less than that, out right now. I just want to talk a little bit more about the Subaru. I kind of left off on a bad note. Yeah, the harness was from an auto, and the guy didn't tell me that, and he knew I had a manual, so I'm not sure what his intentions were, but he's a pretty good guy. He sells a lot of parts around here in the community, so I don't think he meant to screw me, but he did. I know I can do, I can ghetto rig the harness to get it to work, but I want to do the swap right. I've had other people on local Subaru pages tell me I can just use the auto one and kind of ghetto it. And yeah, I get that, but I don't want to do that. So it's a little bit of a setback, but no big deal. I just got to rip out this auto harness, and then I'm going to start working on the body again, go back to that. I have pretty much everything I need for this swap. The last thing I really need is this harness, and the engine came with a stock turbo, but I will be doing a VF39, I believe is what it's called, from an STI. I'm gonna put that in there. We are doing upgrade fuel pump, injectors, all that. We're doing an E85 swap, so I have not decided on the front end. The more research I've been doing, the more I kind of want to stick with the bug guide. But at the same time, I really, really would like to go Hawkeye. But if I go Hawkeye, then it's going to be a big setback on money-wise. So we'll see. Gonna kind of sleep on it for a few nights. This is my last night of freedom for a couple days, and I have drill this weekend, so I won't be able to do anything this weekend car-wise. I'm just kind of sitting out here getting ready to head to bed because I got to get up real early. I figured I'd talk to you guys, but sorry, I'm just kind of rambling on. We'll get this swap done, and hopefully it won't be extremely time-consuming and super expensive. So, anyways, I don't know if I'll add much more to this. I might add some stuff throughout the weekend, because I should be able to come home at the end of the day for Saturday and Sunday. And I may add a little bit in Monday. I don't know yet, but we'll just see how the weekend plays out. I may just come back and add a closing to the end of this video. I'm not sure yet. But one thing I do know is I'm going to try to keep my head up and quit seeing the negative to all this. And maybe it's just I need to focus more on other things on the car. I've been focusing on just this engine bay harness and getting the engine in. I should really start focusing on finishing up the body work, getting everything in order that needs to be. I still gotta rip out the RS engine, rip out the engine cradle. So I have a lot left to do. So this kind of frees up a lot of time, because I was trying to get it all rushed back together, get the dash in, and try to get everything wired up so I can get this thing finished. But this is gonna allow me to slow down a lot. But now I'm just really rambling. A quick update of what I did today. I've replaced the heater core inside the box, so I shouldn't have to worry about that going out anytime soon. But other than that, I haven't done anything really other than what you've seen already. So I might be back. Who knows? I might just close this, so I'll see you in a few seconds. What's up, guys? I wanted to be able to bring this video to an end. I know it was a really short video. I didn't get to do anything related to the car because I had drill, but I gotta get this video edited and uploaded tonight. So anyways, I ended up getting the intercooler today, and actually I got it yesterday. So got that inside. I got something else that's pretty cool. Engine oil, the oil cap, which says STI and it's red. It was pretty cool, and it was like $5. So I thought, why not? It feels pretty good quality too. But I found somebody this Saturday who's gonna allow me to come over and remove a manual WRX harness from their car. It's a pretty long drive. It's about 2.5 hours away, and then I gotta remove it from their car and then drive another 2.5 hours home. So hopefully he doesn't back out, and hopefully I can get there and get the harness out so we can get this swap finished. Got a lot of plans coming up here in the future. So just been really cold lately, so I don't know how much I'll be getting done. I'm all out of gas for the heater, so we'll see. I'm gonna close this video here. I'll pick back up probably tomorrow if I decide to do anything, which I may actually not do a whole lot until next Saturday when I go to get the harness, but I'll be sure to bring the phone and, you know, shoot some footage of that car and getting the harness out and whatnot. So I hope you guys liked this short little video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and just keep checking back for some new videos. Hopefully check the little bell down below next to the subscribe button so you get notifications of my videos. So thanks. See you guys next time.